Boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple strategy with our Heikin indicator and our RSI. So as you can see right there, we're looking for two things only. We're looking for our Heikin to be oversold, and we're looking for our RSI to be oversold, and we're looking for our Lux Algo RSI to be overbought. So when these two align, we're looking for a buy or sell. All right, so you can see right here it is oversold, and here it is oversold as well. So therefore that's a good sign to look for. That's a good sign to look for a buy. Let's look for more examples. As you can see, this right here is an uptrend. All right, let me just do this. This is an uptrend, and I would strictly advise you do not take counter trend trades. As a matter of fact, only take trades if it's a clear reversal or it's broken the trend line. You want to take a sell. As you can see, we had an oversold market there. It eventually broke the trend line, and now we're looking for sell. So you can see this would have been a sell if our Heikin touched the red area, but it didn't touch, so we're gonna avoid that trade. Yeah, so you can see that's the trade example right there. Trying to look for another one. There's another one right here. As you can see, we had our oversold area here, and there was a valid trade right here. So you can see it's a very easy strategy. Try it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.